NordLocker pricing explained what you get for your money. NordLocker is a file encryption and cloud storage service, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just another cloud storage platform. The surprising truth is that NordLocker combines secure encryption with seamless file syncing, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. Pricing starts with a free plan offering up to ob of encrypted storage, perfect for casual users or testing the platform. Paid plans begin at per month, providing of secure cloud storage. If you need even more space, higher tier plans scale up to a EP. You won't believe the features included: end-to-end encryption, zero-knowledge architecture, cross-platform compatibility, and file sharing with secure links. Most people get this wrong by assuming free services provide the same level of security. NordLocker ensures that even if a hacker accesses the cloud, your files remain unreadable without your encryption key. This focus on privacy and security sets it apart from standard storage solutions. In conclusion, NordLocker pricing reflects both storage capacity and premium security features. By understanding the differences between free and paid plans, you go from zero to pro in choosing a service that protects sensitive data while still offering convenient access and collaboration options.